Now we find the Laplace transformation of function f of t by using the derivative formulas of Laplace transformation. Laplace transformation of derivatives. The transformation of first and second derivatives of f of t satisfy the equation. Laplace of f dash equal to s into Laplace of f minus f of 0, and Laplace of f double dash equal to s square Laplace of f minus s f of 0 minus f dash 0. This is equation 1 and this is number 2. 1 holds if f of t is continuous for all t greater or equal to 0, and 2 holds if f of t and f dash t are continuous for all t greater than or equal to 0. Now we are starting the exercise how we find the Laplace transformation of the function f of t by differentiation. Question 1, if f of t equal to t into ekt, we differentiate this f of t, this f dash t equal to by using the product theorem of derivative. This t is same, and derivative of ekt is equal to k ekt plus derivative of t is 1 into ekt. This is the derivative of f dash t. Now taking Laplace both sides, Laplace of f dash t equal to Laplace of t k ekt plus ek. We can write this term as in this form. Now we take the separate Laplace of this term plus Laplace of this term. So this can be written as Laplace of f dash t equal to this term Laplace ekt plus Laplace of tk ekt. This k is constant, so we take this outside the Laplace of this. This is equation number 1. Now using the formula, Laplace of f dash t equal to s into Laplace of f of t minus f of 0. So we know f of t equal to t akt. Putting t equal to 0 in this place, in place of t we put 0. We have f of 0 equal to 0. The value of f of 0 equal to 0, so we put here f of 0 equal to 0. So this equation become Laplace of f dash t equal to s into Laplace of f of t, and this term becomes 0. So this is equation of Laplace of f dash t. So we put this term in equation number 1. Here in this place we put s into Laplace of f t. So in this place we put s into Laplace of f of t. This is equal to Laplace of ekt plus k into Laplace of t into akt. So this t akt, this is equal to f of t. So in next step we put here f of t. So this become s Laplace of f t equal to k Laplace of ekt plus k into Laplace of f of t. So we take this term Laplace f t in left side and taking Laplace f t common. So we can write this step as s minus k Laplace of f of t. This is equal to Laplace of ekt. So this is equal to Laplace of ekt equal to 1 over s minus k using the previous formulas. Laplace of f t equal to 1 by s minus k into s minus k into s minus k. This is equal to s minus k square. So Laplace of f t equal to 1 by s minus k square. This is the answer of this question. Now question number 2, if f of t equal to t cos 5t, differentiate this with respect to t. Derivative of t equal to 1 and cos 5t plus this t same derivative of cos 5t equal to minus sin 5t into 5. This is value of f dash t. Cos 5t minus 5t sin 5t, again differentiate with respect to t, because when we differentiate f of t, so there is no any term which is f of t. So if in this case, if in this step there is no any term of t into cos 5t, that is f of t, we again differentiate with respect to t by taking its second derivative. This will become f double dash t. Derivative of cos 5t equal to minus 5 sin 5t, and here we use the product theorem. Minus 5 derivative of t is 1 into sin 5t plus t into derivative of sin 5t equal to cos 5t into 5, and f double dash t is equal to minus 5 sin 5t minus 5 sin 5t minus this will become minus 5 into 5 minus 25 t cos 5t. Now f double dash t equal to minus 10 sin 5t minus 25t cos 5t, taking Laplace both sides, and this become minus 10 Laplace of sin 5t minus 25 Laplace of t into cos 5t. So Laplace of f double dash t equal to minus 10 Laplace of sin 5t minus 25 Laplace of f of t. This is value of f of t. So in this place we put its value, that is f of t, and this is equation 1. Since f of t equal to t cos 5t, we put in place of t equal to 0. This become f of 0 equal to 0 into cos of 5 into 0, and this total result becomes 0. So f of 0 equal to 0. This is value f of 0 equal to 0. So since f dash t equal to cos 5t minus sin 5t, put t equal to 0 in this place. So in place we put t equal to 0, and in this place we put t equal to 0 and 0. So this whole result become 1. This is sin 0 equal to 0. So cos 0 equal to 1. So this is 1. So value f dash t equal to f dash 0 equal to 1. Now Laplace f double dash t, this is the formula of Laplace f double dash t. So we put here f of 0 equal to 0 and f dash 0 equal to 1. So after simplification we have Laplace of f double dash equal to s square Laplace of f t minus 1 put in 1. We have s square Laplace f t minus 1 equal to minus 10 Laplace of sin 5t minus 25 Laplace of 1, and after simplification taking Laplace f t common in these two places, so we have s square plus 25 Laplace of f t, and this can be written as minus 10 into 5 over s square plus 5. This is by applying the formula Laplace of sin a t 5 over s square plus 5 square. This term become 5 over s square plus 5 square, and this minus 1 take in this side, this become plus 1, and this is s square plus 5 square 25, this will be LCM, and after simplification this we have Laplace f t equal to, this is s square minus 25 and this over s square plus 25 square. Now question 3, f of t equal to sin square omega t, we take derivative f dash t is equal to 2 sin omega t cos omega t into omega, and this is f dash t, 2 omega sin omega t into cos omega t, this become f dash t equal to omega sin 2 omega t. Again differentiate f double dash t equal to omega, this is cos omega 2t into 2 omega. F double dash t equal to omega square 1 minus 2 sin square omega, taking Laplace both sides, Laplace of f double dash t equal to 2 omega square Laplace of 1 minus 2 sin square omega t. We separate the Laplace terms. 2 omega square Laplace of 1 minus 4, 2 into 2 4 omega square Laplace of sin square omega t. So since value of sin square omega t equal to f of t, so we put here f of t and Laplace of 1 equal to 1 over s. So we have this term Laplace f double dash equal to 2 omega square 1 by s minus 4 omega square Laplace of f of t. This is equation number 2. This is the formula of the second derivative of Laplace. Laplace f double dash equal to s square Laplace of f of t minus s f of 0 minus f dash 0. So since f of t equal to sin square omega t, we put in place of t equal to 0. This is f of 0 sin square omega into 0 and sin 0 equal to 0. So f of 0 equal to 0. This is value of f of 0. To put t is 0 in equation number 1, we have f dash 0 equal to omega sin 2 omega into 0, sin 0 equal to 0. So f dash 0 equal to 0. We have f 0 equal to 0 and f dash 0 equal to 0. So we put here f dash 0 equal to 0 and f dash 0 equal to 0. So Laplace f double dash t equal to s square Laplace f of t minus s into 0 minus 0. So Laplace f double dash t equal to s square Laplace f t. Put in the equation number 2. So we put Laplace f double dash t in equation number 2. So in this place we put s square Laplace f t, and this is s square f of t from the equation number 2 here. Laplace f double dash t equal to s square Laplace f t and 2 omega square by s, and this is minus 4 omega square Laplace of f of t. We can write it as s square plus 4 omega square Laplace of f of t equal to 2 omega square over s. So Laplace ft equal to 2 omega square s into 4 omega square. This is value of Laplace of f of t. And question 4, f of t equal to cos square pi t. So we differentiate this term by using the formula. This is f dash t equal to 2 cos omega t, and derivative of cos pi t equal to minus sin pi t into pi, and this become minus pi sin 2 pi t. So this is value f dash t minus pi sin 2 pi t, taking Laplace both sides, and Laplace of sin 2 pi t equal to minus pi into 2 pi over s square plus 2 pi square by using Laplace formula, and this is equal to minus 2 pi square over s square plus 4 pi square. So this is value of Laplace f dash t minus 2 pi square over s square plus 4 pi square. This is equation number 1. So since f of t equal to cos square pi t, we put t equal to 0. So f of 0 cos square pi into 0, this is cos 0 equal to 1, so f0 is equal to 1. So this is the formula of Laplace f dash t equal to s Laplace ft minus f of 0. So put f0 equal to 1. Here in this place we put 1. So this is value of Laplace f dash t equal to s into Laplace ft minus 1. Put in the equation number 1. This value. In this place we put s Laplace ft minus 1. So we have s Laplace ft minus 1, this is equal to minus 2 pi square over s square plus 4 pi square, and take this one minus 1 in right side. So we have s into Laplace ft equal to 1 minus 2 pi square over s square plus 4 pi square. So after simplification by taking this LCM, we have Laplace ft equal to 2 pi square s square over s square plus 4 pi square. Laplace ft equal to 2 pi square plus s square divided by s into 4 pi square plus s. So this is value of Laplace f of t. Now question 5, f of t equal to sin square hyperbolic at. We take its derivative. F dash t equal to 2 sin hyperbolic at cos hyperbolic at into a into 2, this is 2a, 2a sin hyperbolic at cos hyperbolic at. F dash t equal to a sin hyperbolic 2at, taking Laplace both sides, and using this formula, sin hyperbolic 2at is equal to a into 2a over s square minus 2a square, and this is equal to 2a square over s square minus 4a square. The Laplace f dash t equal to 2a square over s square minus 4a square. So we have Laplace f dash t equal to s Laplace ft minus f of 0. So since f of t equal to sin square hyperbolic at, put t equal to 0. So this becomes sin square hyperbolic 0, and this sin 0 equal to 0, so f of 0 equal to 0. So in this place we put f of 0 equal to 0. So Laplace f dash t equal to s Laplace ft, put in equation 1. We have s Laplace ft equal to 2a square by s square minus 4a square. So Laplace ft equal to 2a square over s into s square minus 4a square. Now question number 6, f of t equal to cos square hyperbolic 1 by 2 t, find Laplace ft. Taking its derivative, this becomes f dash t equal to 2 cos hyperbolic 1 by 2 t sin hyperbolic 1 by 2 t into 1 by 2, and this is equal to the formula sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So we have 1 by 2 equal to sin hyperbolic 2 into 1 by 2 t, and this is 1 by 2 sin hyperbolic t. So f dash t equal to 1 by 2 sin hyperbolic t, taking Laplace both sides, Laplace both sides. So this is 1 by 2 Laplace of sin hyperbolic t. The Laplace f dash t equal to 1 by 2, and the formula of sin hyperbolic t is equal to 1 over s square minus 1 square. The coefficient of t is 1. So in this place we have 1 by 2, 1 by s square minus 1 square. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into s square minus 1. So Laplace f dash t equal to 1 by 2 into s square minus 1. This is equation number 1. Laplace f dash t equal to s into Laplace of t minus f of 0. This is formula of Laplace of f dash t. See if f of t is equal to cos hyperbolic 1 by 2 t, put t equal to 0. This is f of 0, cos hyperbolic square 1 by 2 into 0, cos 0 equal to 1. So value of f of 0 equal to 1. So in this place we put f of 0 equal to 1. So we have Laplace of f dash 0 equal to s into Laplace ft minus 1. So put this value in equation 1. We have s Laplace ft minus 1, this is equal to 1 by 2 s square minus 1. So this is s Laplace ft 1 by 2 into s square minus 1 and plus 1, and after simplification we have s Laplace ft equal to 2s square minus 1 over 2 into s square minus 1. So Laplace ft equal to 2s square minus 1 divided by s into 2 into s square minus 1. This become s square minus 1 by 2 over s into s square minus 1. So Laplace of f of t equal to s square minus 1 by 2 over s into s square minus 1.